number 10, Kirsten Isabel Cerillo from Barangay Malaban. Hi,
Ganda
baby
nung
girl.
lakad niya. Nakita mo ba?
Very regal, no? Very yayamanin. Cerillo from Barangay Malaban.
Congratulations.
Let's call on our third candidate, number 10, Kirsten Isabel Cerillo from Barangay Malaban. Hi,
Ganda
baby
nung
girl.
lakad niya. Nakita mo ba?
Very regal, no? Very yayamanin.
Yes.
From Barangay Malaban. Hi, how young are you, baby?
I am 9 years.
9 years old, pero you're such a big
She's
girl.
so tall.
Oo, tall, no? Nako, future beauty queen to.
Pero
Beauty queen in
so-
the making. From Barangay Malaban. Are you ready? So you pick one. Number... Ayan, nahirapan na siya. Very good. Very witty yun,
Tinanggal niya.
Yes.
Tama nga naman. Mahirap kasi.
Correct. So you chose question number 12. And your question is, kung magiging superhero ka kahit isang araw lang, ano ang gagawin mo para makatulong sa ibang tao? Again, kung magiging superhero ka, kahit isang araw lang, ano ang gagawin mo para makatulong sa ibang tao? Sino bang favorite mong superhero? Do you have any?
Amihan.
Si Amihan. O, kunyari, magiging si Amihan ka sa isang araw. Ano ang gagawin mo para makatulong sa ibang tao?
Good evening, everyone. For me, I will help those people who are in need because God teaches us how to become sharing and caring. And as part of Little Miss Binyan, I would like to send a message to everyone. Let us continue to become sharing and caring. And with that, we will have a community and a city of Binyan that is full of love, peace, joy, and unity. And thank you.
Maraming salamat, Kirsten. Gusto niyang maging caring and helpful to the community.
Very well said. Tama nga naman. God says, be loving and caring.
Oo, tsaka sa Encantadia, Amihan kasi is very caring yan no? Thank you so much, Kirsten. This time, let's call on our little miss number 8, Ellie Mignonet Romero.